How to create a new server on Discord. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. So let's just jump right in. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Discord and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you just want to go ahead and swipe left on your screen, go to your home page. And once you are here, you'll find different servers that you already are in. So this is my server, and here are other servers that I'm in. So if you want to create your own server, you can find the green plus icon at the bottom of all of your servers. If you have multiple servers here, you might have to scroll down and just tap on plus. So once you tap on this plus icon, you'll find an option to create your own server. Or if you already have an invite link, click on this join server option, paste the invite link here, and you should be able to join your server. But in order to create your own, tap on the plus icon, and then from here, select from already existing templates like for gaming, school, club, study group, friends, artists, creators. So let's say if I just want to create a server with my friends, I'm going to already tap on the friends option. That's going to give me a layout. So it's going to be for me and my friends. Just name your server. So I'm just going to give it a name. And once you give it a name, tap on create server. You could also upload a profile picture if you want. And once you do that, you would want to send the invite link. So tap on share link. So what I'm going to do is send invite link to all of my friends on Discord. And if you tap on the share link option, here you should be able to get the invite link for other people. And if you tap on this link option, it will automatically copy the link to your clipboard. And as you can see here, the invite link expires in 7 days. So if you want to edit the invite link expiration date, tap on edit. Now you can set this to never, 1 day, 12 hours, all the way down to 30 minutes. So once you do that, you should be able to set the expiration date for the invite link. You could also add limitations for each link. And that's pretty much it. Tap on save, share it to whoever you want with, and you're done. You have successfully created your own Discord server now. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.